All right, so day one of repairs, getting started on repairing, did not go well, but we did make progress, and we can see that the lower control arm is completely screwed up. That's the ball joint pointing off at a strange angle. So lower control arm is screwed. Strut's gonna be replaced. Wouldn't trust it at this point. And this axle nut would not come off for anything, so I started cutting it off. And then I decided, well, I'm gonna have to replace the knuckle, the wheel bearing. It's not going well. So tomorrow I will remove the lower control arm the control arm bolts, and remove the control arm and the strut and the axle all as one piece, as well, all in one unit. And if I can figure out a way to get this off, then I'll reuse the knuckle. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to buy that too. So the parts list so far is I'm gonna need a rim and a wheel, rim and a tire, I mean. Lower control arm, strut. The stabilizer bars are still in good shape. They were brand new, replaced not too long ago. And the tire rods are in good shape. They don't need to be replaced. But the control arm will have a new ball joint on it, so that's all going to be replaced. And I don't think the frame is severely bent. I won't know for sure until I get it back together and have alignment check done. But I'm going to put it back as is, and if it has to be straightened, I guess that's somebody else doing that, because I wouldn't know. But yeah, that's it for day two.